Hello guys, notice anything different? Ding ding ding, my hair. Oh my god, I love it so much. It's not really a big difference, but still. It's like, Kameryn, why are you in your kitchen? Well, today the video will be about this. What's in our fridge? So. I'm just so excited, it's gonna be so funny. You guys might think, oh my god, we just went grocery shopping, so there's a sneak peek of it. So, yeah. So we'll start from this side of the fridge, as you guys can see. So my parents, they have a Rockstar Boom Energy drink. It's a very good drink. We have ketchup, milk, and then next thing, mayo, sriracha, and garlic. I love this. It's so good. And then here we have hummus. Oh my god, hummus. And then we have like a bunch of sauces up there along with the hummus. And then we have some more energy drinks, Rockstar Monsters. And this is shut. Okay. So that's all we have for that side. Next, we're going to be doing this side. So here we have mustard, some more ketchup, more milk. So here. I really don't know. But it was something that was on top of the fridge. It was this thing. I'm doing a video of what's in my fridge. And I just kind of opened, I went like this, and then I went like this, and all of a sudden, say hi.
To what?
The camera.
For what?
It's a video.
Awesome. Okay.
Now we only have one monster. But that's back on the fridge. Okay, so back to this. So ketchup, mustard, milk. Now we have some BBQ sauce, sweet honey barbecue sauce, and dip. I had to say that really dramatically. Now we have just a bunch of ranch in here from McDonald's and like Jack Box. We have some steak sauce. And then we have jam, strawberry jam. One sec, you guys. Okay, now, next door. Another monster. And cheese. What's this? Oh, more packages. Cheese. And then more cheese on this top door right here. And just some more cheese. Now, we're going into the two drawers right here. Can you see that? I can tell. Okay, so we're going into these two drawers. We'll start with this one. So first thing we have, okay, I'm gonna use this camera. So you know what drawer we're working on? Not looking at. We have some string cheese. Hoppata! So, and then we have this pudding. Applesauces, fruit cups, some more fruit cups, and some Lunchables, and that's really all we have in that drawer, the first snack drawer. But we have a lot more in it, but next drawer, which is our fruit drawer. Apples, lettuce, orange little sticks, carrots, if you don't speak my language, tomatoes, disgusting green things, what are they called? Avocados. Avocados, more avocados. Cheese. Why is that in there? And that's all. Tomatoes. I'll put them in our apples. I really should pour everything out of there. And then here we have some stuff. So first thing we have in that little area, bagels, leftover pizza, and tortillas. So that's it in that little area. Now we're moving on to the stand your stand. So we have another rock star. Sorry, Mom, sorry, Dad. We have some Tellies. I really need one of those. Then we have some coffee creamer. And then more coffee creamer. We have some water bottles. We have a water freshener back there. Yogurt. There's my sister behind me also. Right there. But more milk. And now for the chop drawer. Oh my gosh, there's so much stuff. More yogurt. Bagels. One sec, my fridge is not wanting to flip and shut up. Okay, shut up. Bagels. Bread. Let me see. Some bread. Some yogurt. Some more bread. Some more yogurt. Some more bread. Some more bread. Some more bread. We have a lot of bread. At the same time, we have a family that really likes sandwiches. Stay bread. Stay. Okay. Next thing, I'll go right here. Oh! I didn't realize that you guys were the ones who fell. Oh. It's really far back here, so. We have sour cream, some butter, butter. Oh my god, this is really freaking heavy. Oh wait, no it's not. Pepsi, some fudge, some bacon. Could you go right there, please? Thank you. Whoa, it just got really shady. Whoa. And then we have some eggs. Oh my gosh, there's one more thing that I need to really pull out. And I can't reach it. Oh, I can. Yeah, I just stepped on my dog. But yeah, whatever this crap is. Comment down below if you guys know.
It's hot sauce.
Whatever that crap is. But
it's your mom's.
Okay. Shut up. I will freaking close you in a second. And you, bread, can go right there. Oh my god, those bagels are falling. And you guys go right there. That's where you're supposed to go. There we go. Bagels are in. And now goodbye. No, I'm joking. I'll bring you guys in. But that was that fridge right there. That area. So, yeah. Moving on to the freezer. Oh, crap, what am I going to stand you guys? Oh my god, there's a lot to put down in here. First things first. Oh, wait. Okay. So we have some Hot Pockets. Some broccoli. Some corn. And that's literally all we have for the top. Oh, and, what is this? Popsicles. Top drawer. That's literally it. Oh my god. Garlic bread, waffles, pizza, chicken Alfredo, popsicles, and more Hot Pockets. Is that closed? I guess so. Yes, it's closed. But Your little white girl is out. Goodbye.